There's something extraordinary about how the sun sets over the marsh and gently dims along the coastal beach shores. How the intercoastal paths flow and connect like brushstrokes, creating a bigger picture. Distinct historic features are highlighted in the buildings as tales of the city are being told on carriage rides and seen through the eyes of peaceful cranes. Beauty can be found in the memories you create at your favorite restaurant or under the angel oak trees. Submerge yourself in the coastal experience within the private gates of Pulte Home's Sea Island Preserve. Feel the warmth from the community fire pit on a fall afternoon. Dive into the planned resort-style swimming pool with a splash and play area, or enjoy a game of tennis on one of 2 planned courts. Welcome to the 2-story Woodward, a home that offers flexible living, encompassing comfort and balance throughout the open floor plan. The large gathering space is ideal for hosting casual or special occasions, making entertainment effortless. Fill the dining room with sweet and savory smells from your favorite cuisine. Unwind upstairs in the loft, or relax in one of the additional bedrooms. Natural light illuminates from within the owner's suite and reflects on the marble flooring in the owner's bathroom. Equipped with a frameless walk-in shower and a large walk-in closet. Check in on your guests while they're relaxing in one of the many secondary bedrooms and remind them that there is more entertainment on the patio. A classic home design, better known as the Martin Ray, will leave guests in awe as they are greeted in the foyer that leads to the chic kitchen. The flex room can be utilized in multiple ways and can fit the needs of everyone. The spacious gathering room flows evenly from the kitchen to the dining room area in a cozy nook, all while being part of the open floor plan. The additional bedrooms are ideal for a guest retreat during their short or extended visits. Behold a place of peace and relaxation in the owner's suite, with optional tray ceiling adding a finishing touch of elegance. The walk-in shower in the owner's bath and dual vanity features aid in washing the day away, and the walk-in closet is perfect for storage. When game night in the loft has come to an end, there is plenty of room for overnight visits and outdoor entertainment on the screen patio. Home Sweet Home. In the 2-story Hampton, offering a foyer and an open floor plan, endless possibilities are created. The large kitchen island with brushed nickel finishes and stainless steel appliances adds a bright and fresh atmosphere to the home. Dine under beautiful pendant lighting and lounge in the gathering room once the meal is complete. The upstairs loft is a perfect place to have a movie night, and additional bedrooms can be used for guests, an at-home gym, or for those growing into young adults. Dual vanities in the guest bath make life easy. Let the worries of the day melt away. The owner's retreat, complete with an optional tray ceiling, lush carpet, and a walk-in shower in the owner's bath, adds to the stunning nature of the Hampton. A 1-story home provides ample living space within a modern new home design. The Dunwoody Way's sleek interior appearance, large gathering room, and arched doorway leading into the open floor plan create a signature design and an outstanding amount of elegance. Additional cabinet space placed on the end of the kitchen island aids in keeping the area organized. With the dining room nearby, hosting is convenient and making memories in the gathering room can be fun. Enjoy a quiet evening and invite guests over to enjoy each other's company. Let the light flow into the spacious owner's suite and step into the owner's bath with a walk-in shower and large closet to complete the space. When the wind gets crisp, grab a blanket and sit by the fire outside of the Dunwoody Way patio. Sea Island Preserve, a community which is devoted to parks and nature, will bring you comfort and privacy as the beautiful live oaks leaves sway in the wind. The estate-sized home sites are close to beaches in downtown Charleston, just a few miles away, providing you with numerous opportunities to connect with neighbors and friends. See the community, see the beauty of Sea Island Preserve.